Hello, my beautiful guys, my beautiful YouTube little small family. How are you? Hope you are good. Today I have brought for you very beautiful pixie haircut ideas. Pixie haircut, pixie bob hair ideas. I already make 2 or 3 videos that you guys liked so much. So I decide to again make video on pixie haircut. I hope you like all the haircut ideas. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. Thank you so much and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Bye bye, take care.